Hello and welcome back to my channel. The number one thing that people ask me about, besides of course Pilates here, has been my rainbow hair. So I will say this, I am going to show you how I do it. I do get my hair bleached, like I don't know, once a year, once every 9 months or so, and I highly recommend you do that from a professional. I do not bleach my own hair. You'll see where the growth is at the top where I haven't had it bleach, and you'll see that it just doesn't take as bright or last as long. So I'm going to go through some of the ingredients first. Today I am using Adore. This is a new brand for me. I chose the Indigo Blue and the Aquamarine to make my blue color. We're going to mix those up pretty soon. This has really been one of my favorite brands. I really like the punky color, Jerome Russell. I'm going to go pink. And then in the Adore by Creative Image, I got purple. For quite a few years now. Notice that I am definitely not wearing new clothes. I have all this paper, and it's really just so I don't completely. I'm going to take this Indigo Blue and then this Aquamarine and kind of mix them up. I'm going to leave the pink kind of in there. This will be our Purple Rage. And I'm going to start at the back, and I'm going to take the rest of these guys and pull them on. As you can see, I'm making a mess. I told you I'm not a pro. I'm using the dye straight up. You can of course use conditioner to mix it. For me today, the big priority is going to be the blue, because that's the color that's just having the most trouble sticking. And leave it on. I didn't actually leave it on for about 2 hours or so. You could choose just to leave it on for at least a half an hour, but I will leave it on probably for a few hours, just because, I mean, it's already in. The longer you leave it, the more it will stay. You know, this is all, I've developed this over our last few years, so just be careful, because this stuff can be ultra bright. It will fade. It is semi-permanent though, so you got to be ready for it. It might be pretty bright. And this is it. It's a little bit choppy. You might be able to see where the rubber bands are, but like I said, this is just how I touch mine up. I initially had it done by a pro. I need to do this about every 4 weeks to keep the color. I hope this helped you out. Let me know by leaving a comment below, and I will see you soon.